Alam nyo, ito isang bagay na dapat nyo maintindihan. Kapag ang Diyos inayos tayo at nakipag-ugnayan tayo sa Diyos, ang unang bagay na ginagawa at madalas na aapektuhan din sa atin, ugnayan natin sa ating kapwa. Alam niyo po ba yun? Kaya imposible for anyone to say that they have a fixed relationship with God without experiencing, fixing the relationship with men. Naintindihan niyo po? Kaya ito ang challenge. Trust God, work on your relationship. Yun ang ating pag-aaralan. Okay, for example, look at this. Look at the foundation. Sabi niya, and he said to him, you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all of your mind. Tama? This is the great and foremost commandment. Naintindihan natin? The reason why God wants us to fix our relationship the moment we trust God, because this is the great and foremost commandment. Nakita niyo po ba? Now, tingnan niyo ha. Kasi sabi niya, the second is like it. Napansin niyo, yung foremost is to love God. You begin to fix, you have your relationship with God. Then, sabi niya, the second is like it. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. On these two commandments depend the whole law and the prophets. Ano napansin niyo? Kung totoong ayos ka sa Diyos, pati yung ugnayan mo sa tao, dapat concern mo din. Tama po ba? And this is surprising. Even the non-Christians, sabi ni Dale Carnegie, most people fail in life in terms of finances, in terms of business, not because they are lacking skill, but because they don't know how to relate with people. Ang lungkot, sabi niya, kaya maraming tao hindi umuunlad sa buhay kasi hindi sila marunong makipag-ugnayan. Kaya pansinin niyo, ang tawag din sa business, customer service.